Alright, so in this tutorial I want to show you a really cool website that I came across that is built and created for photographers, real estate photographers, videographers on delivering your photos and your videos to your clients. And I love it the way they have this set up. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it and let me show you how it works. Alright, so here it is. Here is what's called Show and Tour, and it literally says software for real estate photographers, videographers, and virtual tour providers. It is pretty awesome. Let me just log in really quick. I just created a free account, and what's nice about this website is you can have up to, let me just show you my settings here. We're going to go to my subscription. You get 1 gig free storage. So I just did a demo to a client actually, and I sent her like, I don't know, I think it was like 12 images or whatever, but it only used 32 megabytes. And so, alright, so this is one of the projects that you can have in the system, and it's really nice. So you go up and you can go to clients. Here's a list of all my clients that I have in here so far, projects. You can click on the project. You click on this. This is like, you can share a YouTube link. So a lot of my virtual tours or my cinematic real estate videos that I send to my clients, I send them a YouTube link first, and then I will also send them the full complete file. So this way they can still, all in one place, they can watch the video right from this email that I send them through here and get all their photos, and they can even pay online. Now, you can also have this set up to where they can't access their photos until they pay. I looked into this. It's a feature, but it's the $40 a month plan. So I may or may not get that. I actually might stop using, I'm using WeTransfer.com right now. And I'm only spending like $10 a month, and you get tons of storage with that. Like I think 1 terabyte of storage with that. But the way this is laid out, this is super simple for your clients. Let me show you if I can bring up my email. Yeah, so this is what the email would look like. And so this is what it looks like when they open it up. They can click download to download them all, but look, they can preview all the images right here. So down here they can view the video, they can play it if they want. They can copy it and embed the link. See, there's even an embed link there. Now there's only one thing that they can't download. Oh, can they download? I wonder if they can download the video. No, they can't download the video. Well, they can if you, let me get back out and show you. Let me see. What else do we got? Video, okay. Okay, upgrade account. So I believe it is this, either the $19 a month plan or the $49 a month plan. 10 gigs, that's a pretty decent amount for photos. I don't know as if it would be good enough for like video, so you'd probably want to go to the 50 gigs if you're sending full video with that. But $50 a month, I mean, you know, there's a cost to everything. Obviously, this would be a write-off, but whatever is like easier for your customers to handle, because a lot of times I'll send them the WeTransfer link and they won't get it, or go to their spam folder. With this, it's not going to, I don't think. I just think it looks so much more professional right here, you know, and it automatically gives you like a, hi Rachel, 33 short drive is ready. You can view everything by clicking the button above. Because the other thing too was I was having clients confused on how to download the photos, you know. Not everybody is computer savvy, even in this day and age. So to have something super simple like this where they can open that up and click big letters, download photos, you click that button and it's going to literally start downloading right now as we speak. So super easy for your clients to navigate, but I highly recommend going and checking this out. It's super awesome what you're able to do with it. I just came across it and I thought I'm going to make a video and share this because I'm going to start using it. I'm actually using it right now. I'm using the free version, which gives me whatever I said, 1 gig of storage. So I'm going to use it definitely for the photos. I'm probably still going to have to send them the video link through WeTransfer, but that's fine. Not a big deal. Anyways, but leave me a comment if you use this software, or let me know what you're using. So, again, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.